Hey there, welcome to this week's video. So this week we're going to talk about a particular question everyone asks me, and I've been hearing in Facebook groups and things like that, is how much images should you be giving your clients? Okay, so let me just make things clear that there is no right amount of images, but I'm going to give you a guide so you don't overwork, burn yourself out, and so clients don't get confused as well if you're going to give them a lot of images. So that's the guideline, the sort of rules to stick by, and I've stuck by throughout my years of, doing photography and serving clients. So I like to I used to be 40 images when I first started, but that just got way out of hand, because if you're starting out, most likely you're the one that's editing your images. And if later you choose to hire an editor, remember you're paying for those images to be edited as well. So that's coming off your profit as well in your business. So I like to stick by, certain amount of images. So the maximum amount of images I will give my clients is 30 images. Now, if they see a whole gallery and they want them all, that's a customized package. And yes, they can have them all, but I like to stick to a maximum of 30 images. Now, by saying that is because I understand that if they choose that package with the 30 images, I know what the maximum amount of money I can make in my business. But like I said, they are still allowed to add extra images or purchase the whole, images we've taken on the day if they really wanted to. And yes, I do have a lot of clients that do that as well. So it's really important to indicate the maximum amount of images, but also communicate with your clients and through your messaging on your prices and packages that you do allow extra purchase of images, whether they want to purchase that one extra or the whole gallery or a few extra. And then maybe say you can bundle it up and give them a private quote as well. So that's what I personally do. Now, there's no right or wrong way. You can give your clients how many images you want. It's just I wanted to share with you exactly what I do in my business. So what I do is I usually go by when someone sends an inquiry, I offer them a package to shoot with, to book me in within a few days, and they get a small amount of images. Let's just say 8, and then after that, it goes from 15 to 25 to I think it's 30 images. So we've just recently changed it, so I'm still thinking exactly what it is, but that's pretty much how it goes. Now, with the pricing, I make it a no-brainer for them to go from one package to the other. So mainly I sell my middle package, but it's not much off if they want to go for more images just for that extra bit of money to pay. So that's how you need to sort of spread it out and think about it. But here you need to think about the maximum images you get. So if they mainly go for the middle or the large package, which is my 30 images, I know that I'm making a minimum of that much per client as well. So think about how much you want to give your clients. A second thing is to think about is you don't want to be editing day and night, because I hear a lot of photographers get burnt out because most of them have kids or doing this aside, and they find that it's not even worth it sitting and editing every single image because I offered them 50 to 100 images. It's not the way to go, only because in the long run, people are going to expect that much from you because they're going to refer you to other people, and you're going to get burned out. So think about it as if you have a busy business. Do you really want to be giving your clients over 40 images? So just something to think about. So that's exactly what I do in my business. I want to know from you, if you leave me a comment below and let me know what's the maximum amount of images you give your clients and why. And does that burn you out, and would you like to reduce it a bit more? Because you run your business and you certainly can reduce it more. So hopefully this video has gotten you thinking about how much images you should give your clients, or maybe it helped you because you're just starting out. Let me know below in the comments. And don't forget, you can download my free newborn session guide where I go over from A to Z of how to run a newborn session and what to do with your clients before, during, and after a session, as well as some ideas with settling the baby and posing and things like that. So it's absolutely free. Go to the link either wherever you're watching this, could be below or above this video. Make sure you go download it. It's totally free. And I'll see you guys next week for another video. See you then.